So I always wanted to be a doctor, and I was really fortunate to study medicine at Monash University and did my residency and internship at the Alfred Hospital. And it wasn't really then until the birth of my first child that I thought, hey, that's exactly where I want to be. And so I was offered a position at the Royal Women's Hospital to do my training. I subsequently undertook an elective year both in Thailand and also at Sydney in advanced laparoscopic surgery before completing my training at the Women's Hospital in reproductive medicine and fertility. I'm passionate about women's health, not only for my own patients, but also for the broader Australian community. And I provide comment to the media on aspects in relation to childbirth, pregnancy and fertility health as a media spokesman for RANZCOG, the Royal Australian New Zealand College of Obstetricians and Gynaecologists. Look, I utilise a lot of social media, Twitter, Facebook. In addition to that, I would get some curly questions like, for example, can you have a cup of coffee during pregnancy? So whenever those curly questions come up, I provide additional content on my website. It's a source of information you can go to that's reliable, and it's also evidence-based so that you know that the information you're getting can truly be counted on. So there's things like diet and exercise in pregnancy. There's a type of food you should eat in pregnancy. Can you dye your hair in pregnancy? All those questions can be answered by looking at the website. When I was thinking about what type of doctor I am, the fact that I'm in obstetrics and gynecology and fertility, I wanted a symbol or a logo that represented all those elements. You've got the dandelion, which represents the seeds of life that are blowing off into the wind. The inside of the dandelion represents an egg, and the woman's hair represents a sperm as it fertilizes that egg. And lastly, the body of the woman represents a womb, where ultimately an embryo will implant and obviously a baby will develop. So it encompasses all those wonderful elements and gives a true reflection of who I am and what I'm passionate about.